This is Unit 7, Day 2. We are talking about simplifying radicals. These are 3 questions from the homework that I'm going to work through with you. The first is radical 4 y to the 6th. And for this one, what we notice is that 4 is a perfect square, right? So we can actually do that and get an actual number. So the square root of 4 is 2. We keep our y because we don't know what kind of number it is. So 2y, and then we take the 6 and we chop it in half. Okay, so our 6 becomes a 3. 2y to the 3rd is our answer. The next one that I'm going to do is negative 5 radical 49. Now what you'll notice is we have a number right out front. We have to keep that number. Okay, so we're going to bring that down. We have to keep it for right now. And I know that 49, the square root of 49, is a rational number, right? So since it's rational and it's a whole number there, we're just going to go ahead and do it. The square root of 49 is 7. So this is negative 5 times 7. Now we can do that, and it equals negative 35. So this one has an actual answer. Sometimes they will, sometimes they won't. The next one I have is 2 radical 45. So we're going to have to bring down the 2. But now, if I take the square root of 45, I'm going to get a crazy number, and we're simplifying, not making it more complicated. So I have to think about the different factors that go into 45. Okay, so what can we multiply together to get 45? Well, I know I have 1 and 45, all right. I have 5 and 9. That's a pretty good one. I need to look for a perfect square. And a perfect square out of this group is 9, right? If we take the square root of 9, we get 3. So that's the one that I'm going to use. And remember, it has to come first, right? So when I multiply the square root of 9 and the square root of 5, I have the same one, right? The radical 45, the square root of 45. It'll equal the same if you put it in the calculator. So I take my 2. I bring that down. The square root of 9 is 3, so I'm multiplying 2 times 3 radical 5. All right, 2 times 3 is 6, so my answer is 6 radical 5. Now if you were to put this into your calculator and then put this into your calculator, they would equal the same exact thing. So that's how you can kind of go back and check yourself.